If you've ever pulled a roast turkey out of the oven only to realize the skin is stuck to the pan, the drippings are burnt, and the cleanup somehow feels harder than the cooking itself, you already know the problem isn't the recipe, it's the roasting setup. Because the truth is, a bad pan can quietly ruin an otherwise perfect meal. The Armorbear Turkey Roasting Pan with rack is designed to fix exactly that frustration for home cooks who want reliable, no-stress roasting for everything from weeknight chicken to full holiday turkeys. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the Armorbear Pan feels like a step up from the lightweight trays most people start with. It's made from carbon steel, so it has a reassuring weight to it without feeling overly heavy or awkward to handle. That sturdiness matters more than you'd think when you're pulling a full roast out of a hot oven. The dual non-stick coating on both the inside and outside is where you start noticing the practical benefit because food releases more easily and you're not left scrubbing stuck on grease later. The V-shaped rack is designed to lift meat so heat can circulate evenly around it, helping you get better browning instead of soggy bottoms, while the flat rack gives you flexibility for vegetables or smaller bakes. Even the foldable stainless steel handles feel thoughtfully done, making it easier to grip safely when everything is hot and steamy. In real kitchen use, this is where the pan starts to prove itself. Whether you're roasting a whole chicken on a Sunday or preparing a larger turkey for a family gathering, the heat distribution feels steady enough that you don't get those frustrating, uneven cooking results. The 3-inch walls help contain splatter, so your oven stays cleaner even when cooking fatty cuts or bacon. It handles up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which covers most roasting needs without issue, and it doesn't show signs of warping under normal home cooking conditions. Cleanup is one of the biggest quality of life improvements here. While it is dishwasher safe, hand washing keeps the coating in better shape over time, and either way, food tends to come off much easier than traditional bare metal pans. Even roasted vegetables and sticky glazes don't cling the way they usually do. Now, it's important to keep expectations realistic. Compared to basic aluminum roasting trays, the Armorbear is clearly more durable, more stable in the oven, and far easier to clean, but also takes up more storage space and sits at a higher price point. If you only roast occasionally, a cheaper pan might still be enough. On the other hand, when you compare it to high-end stainless steel roasting pans, those can last longer in extreme heavy-duty use, but they don't always offer the same easy-release non-stick convenience that makes weeknight cooking faster. The Armorbear lands in a very practical middle zone where you're trading a bit of premium longevity for a lot of everyday convenience, especially if most of your cooking happens in a home oven rather than a professional setup. If you're someone who cooks for family meals, holiday dinners, or just wants roasting to feel less like a cleanup event afterward, this is the kind of upgrade you notice the first time you use it. It doesn't change your recipes, but it does make the entire process feel smoother from prep to serving to washing up. If you want to check current pricing or take a closer look, the link is in the description. And if this breakdown helped you figure out whether it belongs in your kitchen, consider liking the video and subscribing, because we test practical kitchen tools like this to help you avoid wasting money on gear that doesn't actually make cooking easier.